Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so uh, let's start with the download and installation of Anaconda. So I'll just Google Anaconda download. And so let's go for individual edition. Know it. So it will take quite a while just to get it download. Guys, download is complete. Okay, so let's start installation now. So you have to just double click on it. That will start downloading. Installation. Oh, this is the welcome page. Just click on the next. Agree the terms and conditions for all users. So if you want to make this Anaconda available for all the users which can log in on this machine, select this all users. Otherwise, just click on just me and just click on the next. Select the appropriate options. It will ask for admin rights if you need to install it for all the users. Now the destination folder. So it needs 3 GB of space required space on your machine. So I'll quickly change this to D drive because I have very less space available on my machine on C drive. So I'll just create one folder, installations. Okay, so you can also, so the first option is to add the Anaconda 3 to your path system environment variable. And it is not recommended, so just leave it as is and just click on the install. So it will take few seconds to get installed on your machine. If you want to see the details of what it is actually doing, you can see here it is extracting packages like scikit, image, seaborn, stats models, Anaconda, etc. It's almost done. Let's wait for it complete. Okay, installation is complete. Let's click on next and click next, and you just want to see addition tutorial, just keep this checked. Otherwise you can just uncheck these buttons and just click on finish. To verify the installations, open the start and so search for Anaconda and you can just open the Anaconda navigator. Okay, so Anaconda navigator has been up and running, and so there are so many options here. You can use data lore, Jupyter Lab, and my favorite Jupyter Notebook. So let's start. Just click on the launch, whichever application you want to run. I just want to use Jupyter Notebook. So I'll just click on the launch button. Yep, bingo. You can see Jupyter Notebook has been started, and you can create your new Jupyter Python 3 notebook, or you can also navigate to your respective folders and then you can also create new folders and then go ahead with your Jupyter Notebooks implementations. This is that's all for Jupyter installation along with Anaconda. And yeah, post your comments, do like the video, and share your feedback. If you want to see any such more videos, please add some comments so that I can prepare some videos for you regarding that. Thank you so much.